Hello everyone. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, the Einstein of Wall Street, EOW. April 24th, it's Wednesday. This month is coming to a close. It's 5 o'clock. Kind of a fascinating day. We are in the heart of earnings season. People were wondering why there was no follow-through on the rally of yesterday, and I'd really have to let people know that we are at the high end of the S&P, of the Russell, of the Dow, and we've on a fast and furious ride since January, and we've broken through all levels of resistance at 2,826 Dow, 2,926.5, the S&P and the Dow, and we're teetering here at the tip top, right under 1% below what we saw in late September before the market rolled over. So, you know, the market is firing on all pistons. We've got oil also surging on a daily basis, up to highs that I haven't seen in a long time. So what is going to take the market higher? What are going to be the headwinds that we see? Earnings season is in full swing. The financials have been lagging. We did lower expectations to sort of give whatever earnings did come out because people were fearful, in the narrative coming out of the first couple of months of this year were that we were going to see zero growth in earnings and whatnot, and net at the end of the day, earnings have not been bad. Facebook was fairly reasonable. Netflix was pretty reasonable. We've had some of the energy names come out that were good. We've got some mergers and acquisitions happening with a little bit of a fight between Oxy and Chevron, taking over Anadarko. We are seeing some reasonable earnings, nothing particularly disappointing. But right now we're going to sort of get bopped around by a day of good earnings, day of bad earnings. Boeing's earnings were not bad. Today, in fact, Facebook's earnings came out and they were kind of weaker, but they took the stock down for a moment and then rallied them back. There's a lot of money. It really feels like people are under invested in the market. The market is actually just going higher and higher. A day of a pause of down 60 in the down 60 in the Dow, down 6 in the SPY, up 3 in the Russell, up 100 in transports. Is nothing more than a small, sort of a laggish day, people waiting around to really decide where we're going to go from here. We saw a market that everyone felt it was going to be really super supportive and blow out across the board at the end of September, when the market in fact rolled over and got decimated by the Fed, by the China tariffs and whatnot. We don't know what the next move is going to be here. So I would play and be cautiously optimistic of a forward-moving market. Fundamentals seem good, foundation seems strong. Short of the shoe falling coming out of Washington, out of China, out of Brexit, out of whatnot, there are some potential headwinds and reasons for anxiety. At the end of the day, this market seems like it's going higher. I'm not going to read that much into it. Tomorrow's Thursday, coming the end of April. Been a hard trading market, volatility light, volume light. Let's look again tomorrow. It's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, EOW, the Einstein of Wall Street. I love you all. Inside Verstop. Stick with me. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.